Welcome to Seed in Faith. I'm very happy to meet you all in another new topic. We all know that stones, pebbles are cheap because they are common. You can find it everywhere. But gold and diamonds are precious because they are rare. What about our life? Are we common? Are we cheap? Or are we precious and rare? We all have different kinds of skills and talents. Are we making our talents and skills to be unique, or are we copying somebody else to be common like others? Think for a while. See, we need to make ourselves valuable in order to make ourselves rare. Because see, when you see gold, it is precious because it is rare. But gold is found in dust. They take it from the dust and they clear all the dust particles from the gold, and it undergo different refinery process to make itself valuable. Likewise, it's same in humans' life also. God has given unique talents and unique skills in everyone. But are we trying to make ourselves rare and unique and precious like gold? Are we making ourselves valuable? Think for a while and work on your skills and talents. Don't copy others. Don't lead a life like others. Don't copy someone else's talents. Don't copy someone else's business. Try to be unique. Try to be precious. So make yourself valuable. Invest on yourself. Refine your skills. Refine your talents so that people will come after you as people go after diamonds and golds because they are rare and precious. So when you want to live a valuable life, when you want to make yourself valuable, you need to make yourself valuable by investing on yourself and improving your talent. It may be hard. The process may be hard, but don't worry about the process. Trust the process. Commit yourself to the process, and one day you will shine like beautiful gold. So your life is going to become valuable when you put effort towards that. So my dear friends, don't be like stones and pebbles. They are common and they are cheap. Be like gold and diamond. Thank you.